Pencil drawing. It's more than just lines on paper. It's an expression, a whisper of thought and emotion captured in the lead's trail. This video isn't about how to hold your pencil or shade a sphere. It's about the soul of your sketches. It's for you, the artist who turns blank pages in your sketchbook into reflections of your world. We'll talk about what makes a drawing not just good, but meaningful and creative. Creativity in pencil drawing is like a fingerprint, unique, unmistakable. It's not just in mastering the pencil, but in how you let your thoughts dance on paper. Each line, each shade tells a part of your story. It's not about copying what you see, it's about interpreting it through your lens. This part of the journey is personal, intimate. It's where your inner world meets the outer, where your experiences, dreams, and fears become visible. Creativity is also about bravery. It's daring to be different, to break the rules. Think of your sketchbook as a playground. Here, you're free to experiment, to make mistakes, to learn. Your creativity is unleashed when you let go of the fear of not being good enough. Every stroke you make is a step towards finding your unique voice. Remember, in the realm of pencil and paper, you are the creator. Your sketchbook is your domain, and each page is a new opportunity to explore, to express, to exist in a way only you can. In the world of pencil drawings, every line has a purpose, every shade a story. Meaning isn't always loud. Sometimes it whispers in the subtlety of a curve, in the gentle fade of shadows. It's in these quiet details that your drawings speak. They tell of your joys, your struggles, the unspoken parts of your journey. It's not just a sketch, it's a piece of your narrative, a fragment of your soul. But how do you infuse meaning into your sketches? It starts with observation, with feeling. Look at the world, not just to see, but to understand. Find beauty in the ordinary, depth in the mundane. Let your sketches be more than just replicas of reality. Let them be your interpretation, your perspective. It's this personal connection, this intimacy with your subject that breathes life into your drawings. In the end, meaningful drawing isn't just seen, it's felt. It resonates with the viewers, inviting them into your world, one pencil stroke at a time. Inspiration. It's the spark that ignites the fire of creativity, but where does it come from? It's all around you, in the streets you walk, the people you meet, the stories you hear. Sometimes it's in a fleeting moment, a glance, a feeling. Keep your eyes and mind open. Inspiration is a wild creature. It can come from anywhere at any time. Once you've caught this spark, it's time for conceptualization. This is where you mold your inspiration into a vision. It's not just about what you'll draw, but why you'll draw it. What message do you want to convey? What emotion do you want to evoke? This stage is crucial. It's like plotting a journey. You might wander off the path along the way, and that's fine. Sometimes the best discoveries are made off the beaten track. A well-conceptualized drawing has a clearer voice. It speaks with intention, with purpose. When you're drawing with pencil in your sketchbook, there's a rhythm between simplicity and complexity. Some stories are best told with a few strong lines, bold, uncluttered. Others need the depth of intricate details where every line weaves into a larger tapestry. Both approaches have their power, their allure. Simplicity isn't about being basic, it's about being potent. A single line, a lone figure in a vast space, can speak volumes. It's about finding the essence of your subject, stripping it down to its core. In this minimalism, there's a boldness, a clarity that resonates. Complexity, on the other hand, invites the viewer to linger, to explore. It's a journey through textures, shades, and details. Here your pencil can wander, creating worlds within worlds, but even in complexity, there's a need for balance. It's like a symphony. Every stroke must have its place, contributing to the greater whole. Your choice between simplicity and complexity reflects your narrative. It's a decision that shapes the way your story unfolds on paper, whether you choose the stark power of minimalism or the rich tapestry of detail. Remember, It's about how effectively your drawing communicates, connects, and captivates. Your drawings are more than just art, they are reflections of your life. Personal experiences and observations are the fuel for your creative fire. They bring authenticity, depth, and emotion to your sketches. When you draw from your experiences, you're not just putting pencil to paper, you're sharing a part of yourself. Look at the world through your unique lens. The way you see a tree, a street, a face. It's different from anyone else's view. Capture that. Your observations, no matter how mundane they may seem, are rich with potential. They are seeds from which original, meaningful art grows. Don't shy away from using your emotions either. Joy, sorrow, love, anger, they can all be channeled into your work. Let your emotions guide your hand. They can turn a simple drawing into something powerful, something that speaks not only to the mind, but to the heart. In the realm of drawing with just a pencil, emotions and technique intertwine like partners in a dance. Your technical skills set the stage, but it's your emotions that bring the performance to life. It's not just about drawing what you feel, it's about feeling what you draw. Every line, every shade should be an extension of your inner state, a physical manifestation of your thoughts and feelings. This interplay is delicate. Lean too much on technique and your work may feel cold, mechanical even. Rely solely on emotion and your message might get lost in chaos. The key is to find balance. Let your emotions drive the concept, the mood of your piece, but use your technical skills to refine and communicate that mood effectively. Your pencil sketches are more than just personal expressions. They're also shaped by the culture and environment you're immersed in. These external factors seep into your work consciously or subconsciously, lending it a unique flavor. Your cultural background, the places you've lived, the environments you're familiar with, all these elements leave their mark on your art. Culture can manifest in your work through symbols, patterns, or themes that resonate with your heritage. It's a way to connect with your roots and share your cultural stories through your sketches. Similarly, your environment, whether it's the chaos of an urban landscape or the tranquility of being out in the countryside, influences the mood and subjects of your drawings. Understanding and embracing these influences can enrich your work. It adds layers of meaning and context, making your sketches not just personal stories, but also narratives of a larger world. So, observe and reflect on the cultural and environmental elements around you. Let them inspire and permeate your work, adding depth and dimension to your artistic voice. Remember that your sketchbook is a canvas for your creativity, emotions, and experiences. The pencil is your tool to narrate stories, to capture moments, and to express what words cannot. Each page is a journey, a piece of a larger puzzle that is uniquely yours. So embrace your individuality, draw inspiration from your surroundings, and let your heart guide your hand. In the world of pencil drawings, there are no limits, only endless possibilities to create, to connect, and to communicate. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.